Hello students, I am Mrs. Shabnur Nawaz from Holy Hearts Educational Academy, Raipur, Chhattisgarh. And today I am here to take the classes of class 12 students, and the topic, as we have previously covered the networking topics, few topics are left that we'll start today. So let's start. So students, here we are starting with the cybercrime, IPR issues, hacking and cracking topic. Let's start. The question arises, what is cybercrime? So, any of the criminal offence that is facilitated by or involves the use of electronic communication or an information system, including any of the electronic devices, computers or the internet, is referred to as a cybercrime. So, we can say in general terms, we would say that phishing, credit card frauds, illegal downloading, child pornography, cyberbullying, cyber trolling, stalking, terrorism, creations and distributions of virus and spams, all these things are the cyber crimes. Next, what are the various types of cyber crimes if we deal with? First is phishing, second is cyberbullying, identity theft, hacking, and many more such things are there, like cyber trolling, bullying, and many things else. So first we'll deal with phishing. So what is phishing? Phishing is actually a technique that is used to gain the personal or the sensitive information of a PC users, which can be his bank details or a credit card information or any of the sensitive data related to that particular user. Next is cyberbullying. Cyberbullying is actually harassing, demeaning, embarrassing, defaming or intimidating someone using a modern technologies like internet, cell phones, instant messages, social networks, and etc. As all these things comes under cyberbullying. Next is identity theft. It means it is a process of stealing your personal information such as social security numbers or a driver license to open a bank account or apply for a credit card, etc. Next is hacking. Hacking is defined as an activity to introduce into your system or gain the unauthorized access to your account without knowingly. Next, here are some tips to remain safe from cyber attacks. Few tips, there are many more such things, but it is not possible to cover all the points over here. So basic points are: first, do not download any of the videos, software, songs from any of the untrusted websites. Do not click on the links whatever we receive in our emails. Never download the attachments of the mails if you think it is suspicious. Do not share your login details to anyone else. Always use a strong password combination, that is an alphanumeric combination for your password protections. Next is IPR issues. Now the question arises, what is IPR issues? IPR issues, basically the things which are patent, copyrights, trademarks, comes under the category of intellectual property rights. And in general terms, we can say that it is for the assignment of a property rights through patent or copyright or trademark. These all things comes under the intellectual properties. And this intellectual property law deals with the rules of securing and enforcing the legal rights to invention, designs and artistic works, just as the law that protects the ownership of a personal property or a real estate. So to does it protect the exclusive control of intangible assets. So these were the intellectual property issues. Next comes hacking. As we all know that hacking and cracking both are not legal, because they both are done without the user's intermissions, and the hacking is identifying the weakness in a computer system or a network to exploit its weaknesses to gain any access. Hence, the hacker is a person who finds that. So, hacking is usually is done by the skilled programmers with the knowledge of computer security. Next, if we move on, that is cracking. We can see here that cracking is an act of breaking into a computer system, often on a network, and it can be done for a profit or a maliciously taking a wrong particular aspect for a particular person and then doing it intentionally. And they are someone who breaks into someone else's computers and often on a network and bypasses the password or licenses in a computer program, and hence they intentionally breaches the computer security. Hence they are much more dangerous as compared to hackers. So here we have completed our this video. and the topics we have covered are the cyber issues, IPR issues, hackers and crackers. So students, here is the assignment that you need to prepare a short notes on cybercrime, IPR issues, hackers and crackers, which you need to do it in your CS notes copies. Students, we have seen few topics of networking, and so I hope you all understood very well. Go through the video, listen it carefully, go through the contents and follow the instructions given and complete the assignments in your computer notes copies. By that time, stay safe, stay at home. Thank you.